Hi students, today we are going to learn about the some separation methods that are sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Mainly these methods are used for the liquid mixtures. In this module, you will learn to separate a mud from muddy water by sedimentation and separation of a clean water by decantation and filtration. For this purpose, here today we will carry out a small experiment. You have to observe in this video carefully this experiment procedure and the observations you have to note down in your notebook. Here, to carry out this experiment, we need some uh, requirements. That first one is the sample of a muddy water, and the required items for this are 2 beakers, 1 spoon, again the sample of a muddy water, and different filtering medias like a tea strainer, a cotton cloth, and a filter paper along with a funnel. Filter paper, strainer, and the cotton cloth, these are the filtering medias. When the heavier components in a mixture settles down after leaving it undisturbed for some time, that process is called sedimentation, and the heavy insoluble solid particles which settles at the bottom, that are called the sediment. And the process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. And after decantation also some very fine impurities is present in that water or that decanted water. Then with the help of filter paper or any other filter media, when we will pass this decanted water from the filter media, then with the help of that process we can separate out these insoluble finer impurities. This process is called as filtration. So here first we will take a sample of muddy water in a glass beaker, and we have to stir it well for a few minutes. And after stirring, we will allow this solution for a half an hour undisturbed. Here we have to keep this solution undisturbed at least for 20 to 30 minutes. And when after 20 to 30 minutes, when we will observe, then here now you can see the solid impurities are settled down at the bottom of a beaker, and to this solid settled particles we are saying the sediment, and this settling down process is called as sedimentation. After that we are going to do the decantation. As you saw here, that upper layer of that sediment we will pour in another beaker slowly, and this separation of upper layer of liquid from first beaker to second beaker, this process is called as decantation. And this water we are saying the decanted water, and still in this water some fine impurities are present. So here we are going for the third process, that is a filtration. Now here first we pass that decanted water from the strainer. Here the porous structure of the tea strainer is a little big, and that's why only some impurities we can remove with the help of tea strainer, and still some fine impurities present in this decanted and filtrate water. Now here first filtration step it is completed with a tea strainer, but again now second filter media we are going to use, that is a cotton cloth, because when we will compare the porous structure of a tea strainer and cotton cloth, the porous size of a cotton cloth is a small as compared to tea strainer. So here now we will use the cotton cloth as a filtering media, and we are allowing the that same water through the cotton cloth. And now let us observe the impurities, whatever it will remain on the cotton cloth, that are again small than the tea strainer. And here, after this second filtration, whatever filtrate we got, still in that some fine, very fine impurities are present. So to remove out or to separate these fine impurities, now we are going to use the third filtering media, that is a filter paper. Why we are using now this filter paper? And this filter paper is a effective filtering media to separate out the finer particles. Why? Because the porous structure of the filter paper is a very small and very small as compared to cotton cloth and tea strainer. So filter paper is a best filtering media for separation of a finer impurities. Here we are passing the same water from the filter paper, and now here you can observe slowly the very clean transparent water drops coming downside in that third beaker, and this water is a totally colorless and clear water. And after this filtration, when we will observe the upper surface of the filter paper, here you can see some very fine small impurities or particles present on the filter paper, and these we separate out with the help of the filter paper. And after this filtration process which we done with the filter paper, then only we got the clear colorless water. So in this module, now you have learnt that to get a clear water from a muddy water, we followed three separation method. First one is the sedimentation. Here the heavier components in a mixture settles down after some time and that process is called as sedimentation. The second one is the process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. And after decantation, to remove the finer impurities, we use the filter paper as a filtering media, and the process of separation of finer impurities from the decanted water is called as filtration.